What's up fam, what's up KDB, back in a video with yet another reaction video of Mama B. This is my mama and we only react to polys or just Nesians in general. So for today we're reacting to some Melbourne boys. We got REN and we also got Levz, and this track is called See Me Winning. So we know they're from down south and west. South and west, I think. Yeah. So yeah, if you're new to our channel, this is the first ever video you're watching, welcome to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by, and if you want to consider subscribing, please do by clicking on my logo over there or click subscribe at the bottom, and please don't forget to click that bell to keep notified on when we upload videos. But yeah guys, you guys know the go with our PolyMovement fams. Please support our poly brands we have here, Hood Clothing, also based in Melbourne down south. So please go check them out. They do have a variety of clothing, as you guys can see here.
Different colourway. Yeah,
100%.
Good quality. Good quality.
Also under the Bird fams, this is here is based in New Zealand. If you guys want to get you some accessories, she goes from accessories to gift boxes. She also has, you know, cups as well. If you guys want to get you guys some mugs and all that jazz. But yeah, go check her out. And thank you to those that have requested. Let's get to the track.
It's a long one. St. Albans is west of Melbourne.
Out of the dirt. It's a track right there. Yeah, the Holdings.
Cranbourne. That's where these guys are from.
So I was just going to give those a call real quick, yeah? 2 minutes.
Everything sorted?
Yeah, fucking no.
Alright, mad.
Sick of yous. Be back.
Easy.
Give a
call. That real REN.
Yeah.
Does he
Remember
have a
we've reacted
mobile?
to him before?
He's on a payphone.
Alright, it's Levz. Sapples is rainbow. Up there. Hey, how you been, Us?
Yeah, my man.
How you doing?
Music shit and that, eh? Label.
Yeah, man. Just me and the Usos, bro.
Yeah,
Just been working real hard, eh? Fucking iPhones. I got a favour to ask you, Us. 100. Yeah, I got a hater coming through. I need you on the verse or so. Alright, say no more. I'm keen. Yeah, I'll text you the Eddie and then we'll link up, yeah? I'm keen. Fucking nice, big bro. Ladies, Us.
They wanna sit me in the dirt, ain't the average dirt, here we giving face for dirt. It's the same song, and if they got dramas, tell them we'll put them in check. They don't want none of that fucking shit. They don't wanna see me winning, they rather see me in the dirt, ain't the average dirt, here we're giving face for dirt. It's the 7 song connect, and if they got dramas, tell them we'll put them in check. They don't want none of this, I guarantee it. They chatting about that war, but on their own they be acting like women. They're the who, they never what they want to. That's why they run around in packs like the dogs do. They don't wanna see me winning, they rather see me in the dirt. And the average story here, we're giving fades of dirt. It's that 7 Saints hard connect. And if they got dramas, tell them we'll put them in check. They don't want none of this, I guarantee it. They chatting about that war, but on their own they be acting like women. They're the who, they never what they want to. That's why they run around.
They be yakking like women. Solid.
Silly. Watch your mouth, eh?
Some of you guys got knuckles that are like
worse than a woman's, man.
sewing machines.
I don't.
But on their own they be acting like women. They're the who, they never what they want to. That's why they run around in packs like the dogs do.
I'm just trying to get that pipe and get that stacked. If I ain't talking to you, brother, I'm just focused on rap. I've got my mind made up, no Donny. If the crew prepped up and ready, then no worries. I'm just trying to live proper. No 24, but I'm moving like Mamba. No post my life, but soon living like a rock star. Working hard till this day, but hoping someday I can say, hey, tell him I'm Gucci.
He's sort of like an older version of like KDM. KDM?
Oh, the vibe.
Like the vibe, yeah, proper.
Definitely.
Like, yeah, like even the way the beat is, it's definitely like a KDM vibe. Yeah, definitely got that vibe. I'm saying like, yeah, he sounds like Del Rio. Like Del Rio and him sound quite similar. Yeah, fire. Yeah, it feels like KDM.
Definitely got that vibe, eh?
Yeah. Alright.
Someday I can say, hey, tell him I'm Gucci, cause I'm bougie. You miss with that Tom and you'll end up like a movie. You can try and be me, but brother, you ain't ready for that. I got my guys at the back still strumming them gas. And that's facts. Hey, brother, no cap. Cause I don't really care about numbers and stats, but don't try and front line when you're watching my back.
They don't wanna see me winning, they rather see me in the dirt and the average Joe.
What do you mean?
And try and
Don't
front
see
line
me front line.
when you're at the back. So I'm guessing like this,
Backstabbing.
yeah, probably like someone trying to act like a leader or something,
Two-faced.
but they're too busy trying to copy what he's doing or something. That's all I'm getting.
Or
from.
trying to be one of the boys.
Yeah, probably. Yeah. We get a lot of those coming around. I guess it's quite normal. It comes
Yeah.
with your.
I think it's, I don't know. You all know. If you know, you know.
You know, some just friends just come out of the closet, you know?
See me winning, they rather see me in the dirt and the average Joe here we're giving face like dirt. It's the 7 Saints hard to nick. And if they got dramas, tell them we'll put them in check. They don't want none of this, I guarantee it. They're chatting about the war, but on their own they be acting like women. They're the who, then they know what they want to. That's why they run around in packs like the dogs do. I knew that I was made for this, and I was getting down, feeling like Scotty P the way I ran remarks. Tell them listen, got 2 years in the game, that's a mission. Gave Levz the call, so you know I mean business. I can switch flows or even put on a show. Mums, they don't have some energy when they're all alone. They're talking distance. When their packs around, they act different. Thinking bad boys, but they ain't pistons. I'm coming for the rings and the checks. You know I hold it down for the set. Look at it, we just tryna be the best. New music on the way, don't stress. You know I got no time, no it's all gonna lose. Mano we mano, I swear they don't want the truth. See me as a man, nah, they don't understand. They just chat on the side and run around in a band. Yeah, they don't wanna see me winning, they rather see me in the dirt. And the average Joe here, we're giving fades like dirt. It's the 7 Saints hard connect. And if they got dramas, tell them we'll put them in check. They don't want none of this, I guarantee it. They're chatting about the war, but on their own they be acting like women. They're the who, then they know what they want to. That's why they run around in packs like the dogs do. They rather see me winning, they rather see me in the dirt. And the average Joe here, we're giving face like dirt. It's the 7 Saints hard connect. And if they got dramas, tell them we'll put them in check. They don't want none of this, I guarantee it. They're chatting about the war, but on their own they be.
Sorry. You're from Melbourne, eh? It's tattoo. 226. Hey.
Unless he's from Sydney or something.
Oh, okay.
Tell them we'll put them in check. They don't want none of this, I guarantee it. They're chatting about the war, but on their own they be acting like women. They're the who, then they know what they want to. That's why they run around in packs like the dogs do.
Woo.
What do you think, Morby?
I like the intimidation behind it.
Yeah.
I can't stop thinking, like every time I see Levz, I see
Sweets.
Sweets. It's such a good combination, those two.
100%. But I guess they sort of, you know, want their separate things and
Levz is doing well. He's got a
Got
production
his-
company up and running.
Young Boss
Yeah.
Records.
Nice.
Yeah. I see that he's sort of branching out, you know, collabing with his people that he wants to collab with, and Sweets is collabing with his. Yeah. But, yeah.
It's nice. It was a nice mean Melbourne collab. Yeah, that was okay. It's not as it's not something we're totally into. Not something that I'd run out the door and go, bro, listen to this. Because I was my brother's going.
Yeah. Real REN. He's definitely got that unique voice.
He seems like a don.
Yeah, just it always depends on the voices too, eh? Like the way you sound. Yeah, this track was. I feel like quite
it wasn't what I
disappointed.
expected from something I didn't expect it from Levz.
Levz, yeah, he seems like it's not his type of vibe.
Yeah, like he's trying to fit in. It's just
Yeah,
not.
it's
It's not him.
Yeah, because we know his music, like since he's sort of broken up with 30 Kings sort of thing, he was up with that, you know, sort of hypey type of
Yeah, I think it's
Afrobeat type of feel.
More, yeah, more vibey, more.
Yeah, like tropical type of feel. I feel like this combo just wasn't hitting it for me.
Yeah.
I think I'll give this track a 6.
Yeah, I'll give it a 6 too.
Yeah. But I felt like there was a scene that I felt was pretty bad was when Ren's just sitting there, you know, with like his desk and all that. Just I reckon he looked pretty bad there.
Oh, businessman.
Yeah, he means businessman.
Yeah. Also, there's the bit I liked the most was the yakking, you know, like a woman.
Yeah.
Wow.
He's sort of called me, eh? Just he's throwing us under the bus, you know. Might as well just throw the bus at us, eh?
Another one. What was the other one? Like your dogs. Ooh.
Yeah, running around in packs like your dogs or something. I was like,
I like that one.
Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this track. Please go support the bros, subscribe to their channels, and check out their music as well. They do have sicky music that you guys can check out, as well as this merch. Please support our Poly brands, PolyMovement as well. Support Hood Clothing Company on Instagram. Other than that, much love, stay safe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye!